Now, the botanical therapeutics industry has a historically high failure rate in bringing botanical products to market. In fact, to date, the FDA has only approved 2 botanical therapeutics out of hundreds of applications. These successful approvals shared a common characteristic. They were able to meet what's known as the totality of evidence threshold. At Canurta, we've analyzed the failures of many as well as the success of few. Our commitment to meeting the totality of evidence test opens new possibilities to treat chronic, complex diseases with botanicals. Botanical medicines have played a crucial role in pharmaceutical development, particularly in regions with limited access to modern healthcare. Yet, their integration into mainstream medicine has been difficult. The lack of material characterization and standardization due to differences in growth conditions, cultivation, and processing pose challenges in ensuring consistent safety and efficacy. Additionally, the absence of patentability, given their existence in nature, disincentivizes pharmaceutical companies. These challenges contribute to an underutilization and undervaluation of botanical medicines, despite their potential benefits. However, this can be satisfactorily resolved with the correct approaches. We are determined to disrupt the traditional drug development paradigm by leveraging strategic regulatory pathways and collaborations, ultimately expediting the development process and bringing life-changing therapies to patients in need. A fundamental pillar of our approach is the utilization of the 505(b)(2) regulatory pathway, which is particularly advantageous for drug entities or candidates that are not entirely new, such as botanicals with a history of use. Unlike the traditional 505(b)(1) pathway, this pathway allows us to leverage existing safety and efficacy data, significantly reducing the need for costly preclinical and clinical trials, especially for our follow-on indications. By using the 505(b)(2) pathway, we can combine multiple data sources and capitalize on existing data to establish a robust scientific foundation for our therapies. We also plan to launch our nutraceuticals products, which provide an opportunity to gather crucial safety and post-market data. This may minimize the need for preliminary studies for our initial indication, while also generating revenue to offset development costs. Furthermore, our focus on pursuing orphan drug designations, as well as other fast-track statuses, aligns with our commitment to developing high-potential drugs that address unmet needs. ODDs not only expedite the approval process, but also provide valuable incentives, such as tax credits and market exclusivity. Coupled with our strategic approach, our extensive portfolio of patented production methods, therapeutic patents, and potential for future patents in key areas such as drug delivery, formulation, and new molecule delivery, position us to overcome long-standing deterrents to the industry. So a great example of our approach in action is our ALS drug development strategy, which leverages both the 505(b)(2) pathway and orphan drug designation. To establish the scientific foundation for our therapy, we will utilize a wide range of data sources, including the historical use of hemp, and preclinical, clinical, and post-market data. We also gain valuable supporting evidence from approved cannabis-based drugs, such as Epidiolex and Sativex. We have an exciting opportunity to forge early-stage partnerships and explore potential co-development through investigator-initiated trials. By embracing this collaborative approach, instead of traditional preclinical trials, we not only foster asset ownership, but also gain access to early clinical data. These partnerships offer a range of benefits, including milestone funding, upfront payments, and tax incentives, all of which contribute to advancing our activities and driving innovation. This streamlined process positions us to potentially progress directly to phase 2 clinical trials. Positive results from a single phase 2 trial hold the potential for conditional approval, given the urgent need for effective ALS treatments. This overall strategy enables us to efficiently advance to later stages of clinical trials for out-licensing opportunities and long-term royalties. Our regulatory strategy also extends to our nutraceuticals, including our polyphenol extract and activated hemp seed powder, which are targeted for foods, cosmetics, and supplements in key markets, starting with the US. In the US, pre-market approval is not required for any of these market categories, enabling efficient market entry. Additionally, the post-market data generated from U.S. entry will serve as valuable evidence when seeking international expansion, particularly in regions like Canada and the EU, where pre-market authorization is required. We'll collaborate closely with our partners to navigate the regulatory landscape of different regions, tailoring our approach to respective requirements. To ensure consumer safety and compliance, we'll prioritize proper product development, quality assessment, and adherence to claims and labeling requirements. By following these steps, we guarantee that our nutraceutical products meet the necessary standards and provide the expected benefits to our consumers. So to conclude, our strategic approach emphasizes innovation, partnerships, and patient centricity to navigate the complex regulatory landscape. We embrace the challenges posed by the totality of evidence approach and have developed strategies to overcome them, ensuring the delivery of safe and effective therapies. Coupled with our streamlined pathways, we are confident in our ability to bring life-changing botanicals to the market.